Hey everyone, welcome to Star Kitchen. Today I'm gonna be making some chicken. I have some marinated chicken. I already marinated chicken. If you don't know how to marinate meat, I can show you in another channel. So I marinated this in the morning. Right now it's about 5 p.m. So, and I put it in the fridge, so it has been in the fridge. So this one I'm gonna do half stew and half I'm gonna bake it. So in most of my meals you will find that I use pepper because they are very essential for your nutrients. So I have three types or three different colors. I have green, I have red, I have kind of yellow orange, I have two tomatoes, I have one onion, one full red onion. I like using red onions. I have ginger, and I have two cloves of garlic, as well as I have two Maggi cubes. I also have some broth, organic. You can use water if you want, you can use water, but I usually use broth, this organic. I also have some seasoning. I have masala chicken. You don't have to use this, you can use any seasoning. As well as I have Goya adobo to serve my meal. I also use soy sauce. So the first thing is I'm gonna put my heat to medium, and I'm gonna warm my pot. I usually don't put oil in any of my meat because it has its own, and I don't want to add a lot of things to my food. I try my best not to. The other thing is because I'm making chicken, I'm gonna blend this, make sure that it's well blended, and that one will make my chicken, have nice soup or some nice broth, tasty broth. So that is it that I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna put my chicken in my pot after it warms up, and then I'm gonna start my baking at 350. So it's gonna be warming up as I prepare all my stuff. So as I said earlier, I'm gonna put this chicken in my pot. And I'm gonna leave it to cook for a while as I blend my other ingredients. So I have my mixture here, it's ready. So I'm gonna just cover my chicken and leave it for like 10 minutes on medium. And then I'm gonna add my stuff and give it some about 20 minutes. So as I wait for my chicken to cook a little bit, I'm gonna bake. So this is my baking sheet. So I'm just gonna put it to bake at 350 degrees. So my chicken has cooked for a minute, for about 10-12 minutes. So I'm gonna check. And you can see it looks good. So I'm just gonna start it. add my stuffing. So I'm gonna cover it and leave it to cook for a minute. So I'm gonna check on my chicken how it's cooking. Oh, it looks delicious. Oof. I'm gonna just stir it. Wow. Look at my chicken. Nice. So I'm gonna leave this one to cook. But I'm gonna reduce it to 2 because I want it to cook on low heat. I'm gonna check my baked chicken is still cooking. Let me see. Let's see this chicken. So this is still cooking. It's still baking, so I'm gonna just leave it to cook. So guys, these are my baked chicken. They look delicious. They're gold, they're nice, crispy. And then I have my chicken stew. Ooh, who don't want to eat this? Welcome all. We can eat together. So that is the end product, and I'm gonna eat with some rice. I'm gonna eat with some rice called pilau. Just a piece and some soup. And that is my end product. Thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel. It's a new channel, but please subscribe. Thank you.